Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Lagrange's interpolation algorithm. Lagrange's interpolation formula finds a polynomial called Lagrange polynomial that makes n certain values at an arbitrary point. It is an nth degree polynomial expression of the function fx. The interpolation method is used to find the new data points within the range of discrete set of known data points. Lagrange's interpolation is a way of finding the value of any function at any given point when the function is not given. We use other points on the function to get the value of the function at any required point. So, the formula for Lagrange interpolation is yx is equals to summation from I is equals to 0 to n into pi j equal to 1 where I is not equal to j to n x minus xj upon xi minus xj into yi. The algorithm for Lagrange's interpolation is: first we need to read the value of x and n, and we need another loop that will accept the values of x and y to get the missing value. For that we have a loop for I is equals to 1 to n plus 1 in steps of 1, which will read the value of xi comma yi. We will end the loop here. We will have a variable sum that will have a value initial value 0. We will have two loops here for I is equals to 1 to n plus 1 in steps of 1 that will store a variable product function which is initiated by 1. We need another loop for j equal to 1 to n plus 1 in steps of 1, which will check if j is not equal to I. If j is not equal to I, then we will store product function into x minus xj divided by xi minus xj in, in product function variable. We will end the loop here and we will store sum plus fi into product function in sum, and we will end the I loop here. Now we will print the values of x and sum and we will stop this process.